in the cafe, I suddenly realised I hadn't plugged the microphone in on the camera. So I hadn't recorded any audio all the way up here.
So here we are at Playa Central in Guardamar. This is Santa Pola over there, and then sunbeds are still here at the moment. Second week in September. There's Torrevieja way over there. It's La Mata that you can see right in the far distance. And here we are. There's a promenade right along the seafront here in Guardamar, and this is our favourite cafe, Cafe Velacho. Lovely sandy beach, goes for miles. Absolutely lovely. In the distance over there you can see the island of Tabarca. You probably can't on the camera. And some fish farms out in the distance as well. Very pretty, very nice. So we've stopped for a quick drink. Look at the view.
The Maria Magdalena, and whilst we were sat there having a coffee or a drink in the cafe, I suddenly realised I hadn't plugged the microphone in on the camera. So I hadn't recorded any audio all the way up here. What a numpty. So, hello, welcome back to the channel. Where have I been? That was nice. The cafe was open up there, but the actual Santuario was closed, which is we're in Novelda. So now we're heading to Aspe, and we're going to a little panaderia called Raul Asensio. It's a little cake shop, sell bread, etc. But they do homemade ice creams. So we're going to go for an ice cream. It's 31 degrees, so I think it's time to cool down a little bit. So just have to skirt round Novelda and then drop down into Aspe, and then we'll park by there's a little park near the ice cream shop cafe, and we'll park there and we'll get an ice cream and cool down. Funky trees on the side of the road on the way into Aspe now. It's pretty cool. And here's a little park, which is very nice. And there's a little bike park up here. So just swing the bike in here.
It is on the corner. Oh, it's a bit flickering. Different flavoured ice creams. So we've got mango and Turon flavour ice creams.
Well, that was a nice ice cream. It had Turon and mango. It's very nice. And we're just driving through the back streets of Aspe, get back out onto the N325 and head back down through the park. So back on the N325 down through the twisties. Got a nice view coming back this way. we're back on the road that skirts around the natural park El Fondo, which is on the right hand side. It's a nice little road that goes through the palm tree forest. Do you call it a palm tree forest? What would you call a group of palm trees? In fact, Elche like their palm tree so much, on the 13th of August they have a massive firework display in the centre of Elche, and the last firework they let off is from the steeple of the cathedral, and it's a massive firework, and it goes off and it is the shape of the palms of a palm tree. It's pretty amazing. Yeah, the firework display goes for an hour, and they have different barrios, different districts of the town have fireworks different times, and it's all done to music. So it's pretty good. They turn all the street lights out in the town so it's dark. It's worth going. 13th of August every year it's on. We're nearly home now, so thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video.